Underground crypto, breaking stereotypes, diving deep into the world of crypto hype. A passive mainstream player on the rise, educating the masses, open our eyes. Underground crypto, shining bright, taking us on a journey.
Welcome back to Underground Crypto. Crypto Ron here with you. Another Underground Crypto deep dive today for you. We got Cedra. This one just popped up on my radar on our favorite no-name exchange, GGX. Go to markets, it'll automatically take you to spot listings. You go to spot market, then you go to new listings. And this is the most recent one here, so it's pretty interesting. We got market cap 13 million circulating, 6.6 billion coins. That's the number of coins, not volume. And then of course you got your links over here. So let's jump right in. First we're going to go to the CoinGecko. CoinGecko is where I like to go first because we can see in the last 24 hours kind of price action. It's only up 2%. Nothing crazy. Seems like this coin's fresh out the new coin oven here, so I wouldn't expect a whole lot from it. But in the next coming week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, I think there's good potential for this coin. But I'm not even sure exactly what category or what angle this coin is quite yet. Max supply, 28 billion. Total supply that's out, like 6.4 billion. 24-hour trading volume, 533,000, and of course, finally, fully diluted valuation, 12.6 million. Go down to exchanges that it's on. Interesting that you don't see a GGX here when that is where we found it, but that's because it literally just got listed. Now note that all of these are centralized exchanges and not decentralized exchanges. They say CEX. We got non-KYC.io, which I've never used. And then Trade Ogre is there twice because it's in two different pairs. And a pair is, the two assets that it moves between. Like USDT you would use to go into SDR, and you'd use the selling of SDR to go back into USDT. And then the same thing goes here for Litecoin. Works the same way. Alright, not a ton to see here. Let's see, what address does it have? It's interesting. I wonder if this is a layer 1. Because it doesn't seem like it's necessarily built on Ethereum, or it doesn't have an address. So that's very interesting. Yeah, Sedra coin. So this looks like it's its own layer 1. Layer 1s do usually perform pretty well. Alright, this is their website. On my first run through here, I did take a look at their website. Thought their website was pretty well put together compared to Dog and Me that we looked at the other day. It says, "Welcome to Sedra, Beyond Genesis, a world of possibilities. Embark on an incredible journey with Cedra, a revolutionary blockchain platform introducing Cedra Coin. Going beyond the ordinary, Cedra leads the way in innovative Cedrax metaverse." So it seems like this might be a metaverse coin, which is a narrative that's been around and has done really well as far as speculation goes. Powered by the advanced GhostDAG protocol. Again, GhostDAG, seeing that pop up again. We had a project the other day talking about GhostDAG protocol. And an S-heavy hash algorithm. Haven't really heard of that kind of thing, so I wonder if they'll explain that more for us. It's not just a tech leap, it's an open invitation to explore a new realm of innovation and community collaboration. So they have their own Explorer, because they must be a layer 1, and they have a GhostDAG white paper, which is really interesting. And then they have something called CTA, which I think is interesting because it's just a term you haven't heard a lot before, and these new terms come out and they take over, and then all of a sudden everybody's using them, and some of the first movers a lot of times get a lot of market share. So, discover custom tokenized assets. At the heart of this evolution is groundbreaking concept of custom tokenized asset, which is what CTA stands for, a fresh alternative to NFTs. So it's an alternative to NFTs. That's important. These digital assets, unique to Cedra blockchain, redefine ownership, customization, and value creation. Each CTA is a testament to the boundless possibilities within the Cedra ecosystem, where innovation meets individual expression. Mining. So Apparently they have some ability to GPU mine. That's really cool. I might even try this out and make a video about it. We'll see. So, early miners carved their path, earning Sedra coin in a limited supply of 28.7 billion. Be a pioneer and claim your share with 10% reserved for early miners. This may be something worth getting into. And then they have a tutorial. Not going to read it, but it is here, and this is the website right up here, cedracoin.com. And it's not hard to get to. This seems like a really good opportunity, to be honest with you. I haven't tried to do it, so I don't really know how easy or not easy it is, but definitely seems like a good opportunity to get some more or less free coin. You'll pay a little bit in energy, but more or less free coin. Economics, consensus mechanism, it's proof of work, block DAG, which are two really popular things. K-heavy hash, energy efficient, core dominant algorithm. The token ticker is SDR. Block time is 1 second. We saw that again the other day with Ghost DAG. Type of, ecosystem or build in their blockchain. So that's pretty cool. Total supply, 28.7. Allocation, pre-mine 20%, strategic blend offering 10% early miner rewards, 4% early supporter and enthusiast, and 6% liquidity pools, exchanges, enhanced liquidity on exchanges and pools, balancing supply and demand, ecosystem 30%, marketing 20%, development incentives 10%, treasury 10%, staking and farming operations also 10%. And then they have a metaverse, which is cool. No idea how far along they are with this. My guess would be probably not very far. The metaverse. Immerse yourself in Cedrax, where AI, automation, and 3D builder technology creates a lifelike virtual world. Explore, collaborate, and shape the future. Sorry if my dog is barking in the background. Kind of unavoidable. Main pillar of Cedrax, AI vehicles, or VCTAs. Explore and gather resources, co-own businesses, CCTAs, invest and manage virtual business, guilds, GCTAs, collaborate with like-minded users, global bank marketplace, MCTAs, trade and invest in the metaverse, and regime RCTAs, co-own Cedrax and influence the future. So co-own Cedrax and influence the future. Cedrax is the name of their metaverse is what I'm getting. Here's your roadmap. They're calling it a journey map. It's a roadmap. And then you got current phase, Q1 2024, building the foundation. The green checks is what they've accomplished so far. So we've got Cedra coin, mainnet launch. It's cool. Mainnet's up. That's always good. Cedra coin web, pool listing. Pool would be for farming, mining. Exchange listing. Desktop wallet release is coming. RCTAs, which up here they told us RCTAs are the regime. It's how you co-own the Cedrax metaverse and influence its futures. Seems like a what do they call that? It's terrible. My mind's blanking. The alternative coin that most things have for governance. It's a governance token. That's the word I'm looking for. That's what that seems like to me. Okay, so Q2 2024. What we got coming up, shaping the future, the Cedrax metaverse teaser, which will probably just be a video. It takes projects a long time to get a full, real, working metaverse up off the ground. Keep that in mind, guys. Cedrax Marketplace, CTAs, which if we go up here, CTAs are the co-owned businesses, invest and manage virtual businesses. Community initiatives, and bring in initiatives for people to get involved. And then you got your Q3 to Q4 2024, launching second set of CTAs, community initiatives, and Cedrax Metaverse exploration version. So I guess that might be the first version you can really do anything in and move around. Then it says join us at Cedra, whether you're a miner, developer, investor, enthusiast, Join us in building a new era in blockchain. At Cedra, innovation meets community, and your contribution propels us towards the horizon of digital currency and virtual experience. Welcome to Cedra, shaping the future together. I think they have a pretty cool symbol. There's a lot of real interesting things going on here, and that's the whole website. I thought the website was pretty well put together compared to, well, many other ones that we've looked at so far in the small list that we've looked at. I'm sure they have a Twitter here, which is also another place that I love to check out when checking out a coin. We're definitely going to be following them. 333 Lifer would love that. Crypto Ron, Underground Crypto. If you don't see that right here, please go follow me on X. Really subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you would. Random scammy messages, if you caught that. So here's their listing on the GJIX. That was from 18 hours ago. So you can see how fresh this is. Kind of the wonderful thing about this channel, with doing it every day, sometimes I get to bring to you things that are super relevant, super current, and you might get your finger on the pulse before maybe a lot of people get in. I definitely want to buy some of this Sedra coin. I might have to drop a hundo on it here and just see where that goes. Yeah, February 22nd. So they've been posting pretty often. Content looks pretty good. All in all, gut feeling of this project, I don't know why, but my gut feeling of this project is probably going to be a 7. I can't fully explain why this feels like it's going to go places, but it just does. They seem pretty well put together. Nice symbol, that means more than you would think. I don't like that, they're not fully vested. There's a lot of coins to come into the ecosystem, so that's one thing. But, yeah, I can't really explain it. Maybe it's because I can GPU mine it, and that makes me excited because I don't necessarily have to buy a whole miner to do that. So that's pretty cool. The tutorial's on GitHub. Let's see what happens when we click that. Well, that's not cool. Click it, it doesn't do anything. That's not promising. But anyways, I have a good feeling. Again, my rating is more of a gut feeling that I've learned from several years of doing this kind of thing. And, yeah, I think that has potential. $13 million market cap is tiny. Maybe not quite as tiny as some other ones that we've looked at, but still 13 million. One whale could come in and put well over that just in, and it could double like immediately. It takes almost nothing. All right, guys. Well, that's our deep dive for today. Like, subscribe, share it with somebody who you know loves crypto, and yeah, we are moving right along here.